So hello and welcome to black fly season. So our hope today, even with all of the black flies, is to finish rototilling this kind of area here and lay our ground cover that we purchased. We got like a 10.5 foot by 300 foot roll of like ground fabric, or like it's like a ground plastic kind of, and we are going to plant or try that in the garden this year. I've always done a back to Eden kind of garden, but I want to see how this works out because I've been seeing a lot of people doing it this way, even especially around here. And with all of the raspberry canes that we have, we want to not have them come back in our garden space, so hopefully this ground cover works. While we were picking up the ground cover, we also picked up some greenhouse plastic, because right behind me, those posts there, I don't know how well you can see them because the trees and canes are now starting to have leaves, but we have a greenhouse structure that we didn't know about, and our hope is to get that set up at some point in the next little bit. It's not priority. Garden for me is priority, and that's what we're doing. So even though I don't know how well, if at all, you can see all the black flies that are surrounding me, there's like literally right now so many, and if it wasn't for this net, we would be inside. We couldn't even stay outside for more than, I don't know, 5 minutes before we're starting to get swarmed with these guys. So
because they started carrying me off. I made it halfway down the road.
There's a lot. There is a lot. We were warned, but hey, we got the nets, and that's fine with me as long as we get our garden in. That's what's most important. Down. It is a 10.5 foot by 300 feet. So once it's unrolled, then we have to unfold. So what we've done today is all we're gonna do. We are exhausted, it's hot, we're older, and I found a beach. Well, I didn't find it, somebody showed it to me. A little bit. We've done a lot today. We rototilled, we had to go into town. We had a stump that we had to remove in the center of this garden. I know the tarp isn't taut right now. We're going to fix that up tomorrow. It's supposed to be a good day too. But there was a ton of rocks. So all these rocks we removed from this area. And then the tree stump, I don't even know where that is, but there was a huge tree stump right here. And then this rock we had to move. It's quite big. It's quite big. So that was fun to dig out, but slowly but surely it's getting done. At least the rototilling's done, because I want to return the machine to the people that lent it to us. So at least that's done. And then tomorrow I'll work on, or we will work on, making this a little bit tighter to the ground. I have to order some more pegs off Amazon. We did go to the local hardware store, but they didn't have the proper things that we're looking for. And then I think we're gonna put a fence up either tomorrow or Tuesday. So if we do indeed decide to go down to this beach, which I really want to show Mike, it's beautiful, I'll bring the camera along and I'll show you what is so very close to where we are. So it is a perfect end to a hot and hard day on us oldie folks. But I thought somebody had showed me this place a couple days ago, so I thought I would bring Mike to show him, and he's in awe. I mean, we're the only ones here. Look at how beautiful this is. Stunning.